yeah.
Yo, all you got. No slacking.
Hi, baby.
We're not allowed
Hi, baby.
No one else gets slack.
Yeah,
No slack, pictures just slack.
no slacking.
Santa. Is that grandma's baby girl?
Whoa.
Hi, Roxana.
I got this, come on.
Roxana.
He's good. No, that one's a
Baby.
little scary there. Just think of Venom. Right on.
Oh.
You got this.
Hi, baby girl.
Two hands on the rope.
You're open enough, guys. Have you seen Venom climb before, bro?
Hi, baby girl. I think so.
Climbs like a whole other animal, bro. Make sure there's no slack. Pay
Standing
attention
feet,
to the thing.
2 feet in athletic stance. What?
That's my favorite animal.
Hey, baby girl.
Two hands on the rope. Two hands on the rope.
Fingers on the rope, Jay.
Like monkey.
I know she is. She's probably hungry.
Hey, 2 hands like that, not 2 fingers. Got this.
She thought her binky was her low section bottom.
Almost there.
Slide over, reach that bell.
Yeah. Catchy.
Yeah, two.
Yeah.
Two hands on the rope.
Yeah, he is. He didn't make it up the thing. He's next to go up the hill.
Hey, Jules, I'm gonna have you sit back in that harness like you're sitting in a recliner chair.
Right now,
Keep
one of the
those
camp
hands and feet
instructors
flat.
are
Have you
coming
walk
down the
wall.
rope.
Are you ready to come down?
I'm ready.
Okay, I'm gonna get you to this one.
No, everybody else has done it. He just wanted to go because he hadn't been here, like, done it before.
Keep those hands nice and flat.
He's from St. Louis, I think. I was told.
So you're right next to the triangle. The
I don't
triangle's
even
on your
remember if
left.
I did that one.
Yeah, I don't know why you wouldn't. This is what you like to do.
Oh, I would have absolutely picked that.
I know you would have.
How you feeling, Jules?
So when you're 18, you'll have to volunteer to come to camps. Even though you don't have any siblings in elementary school anymore, but
I'll volunteer when my daughter gets into school.
Well, I see two hands now.
Crazy days.
Hey, go ahead and find your feet.
Yeah.